Hey, what up guys, welcome back to another video. I am now currently in day 2 of switching my exhaust. We're almost done, but I'm gonna bring it back to the beginning. You guys already know. Welcome back to new users. Today we are going to be switching the exhaust, the Catback exhaust. We got a Z1 white pipe and a single exit in the yellow G35. We're going to be swapping them, and we're going to be doing all sorts of exhaust experiments, sounds with the Purple G. You guys will all see in the video. I did read your comments on the last video. Definitely inclined, really convinced that I think I might be going with the Karuma Z bumper. Colors, y'all threw a bunch of colors. I think the majority said like they want a dark color. I'm gonna have to choose one of them, so we'll see what happens. Also, I don't mention it at all in any of my videos, even though I should, but I have some shirts, and I also just made a sticker yesterday, high quality picture of my car, of the purple one. I don't know, just an idea. But yeah guys, anyone who freaking purchases anything helps tremendously on the channel, so thank you guys very much. Let's get on with the channel, let's get on with the video, and let's swap these exhausts.
I told them I'm keeping it quiet.
Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. We're picking up right after last video. It's not super hot right now. The only bad thing right now is smoky. Like, let me try to do something to the image here so it looks a little bit more like how it looks in real life. Here we go. Alright guys, so that's a little bit how it looks right now in real life. Fun fact about this G is that if you guys look here at the bottom, this exhaust isn't even connected. Then we're gonna connect this exhaust, see if it has any difference. I really don't think there's gonna be a difference because it's just piping. It has no muffler, so it's not gonna change the sound a lot. I don't think so, at least. So we're gonna connect it, then try it again, and then we're gonna be swapping this Catback exhaust to that Catback exhaust. That one has a Z1 Catback exhaust. We're gonna switch them now. This is gonna be the stock Cats with the Z1 Catback exhaust, and that one's gonna have this Catback exhaust with the Z1 high flow Cats on there installed, and we're gonna see what kind of difference we hear as far as tone. Here we go, cold start up on the car. I almost forgot to do the freaking exhaust sound, so let's go ahead and get a little bit of rev, see how this sounds. It actually doesn't sound too bad. Pretty freaking loud. It's pretty loud. We're gonna go ahead and connect the pipe, so see if it makes any of a difference, and if it doesn't, well, oh well, at least we tried, right? Alright guys, as you can see, it has a bolt. It's just not plugged in, so this is how it was. We're gonna use some temporary bolts here. Alright, here we go. This is the pipe connected with new bolts, new gasket. Pretty sure it's gonna sound the same. What do you guys think? Comment down in the comment section below what you guys think it's gonna sound like. At first I thought it pretty changed. I thought it changed a little bit, but I think it sounds pretty similar. The pops are still there. We're gonna go ahead and start from this side, from the white pipe. You can remove that subframe that is right there and just take out the whole thing, but we'll take our time. Whenever you cannot take a bolt off because it's too strong, like some of these freaking bolts, just grab one of these, make sure it has a circle, put it in, and fucking whack the shit out of it. I think we moved it a little bit. Now you could use a little bit of your Bradley Martin strength, and there you go. Take off this exhaust is way too hard than it needs to be. I don't know who the hell does this. Now for this, man, this is gonna be like, because usually it goes up and sideways, right? Up and sideways, and you could just like kind of slide it out. Not with your hand, but with the tool. This is why you don't buy freaking Walmart freaking. Alright, remember last video or a couple videos I told you? When I told you something always has to go wrong, you just never know when it's gonna happen, but when it does, it freaking sucks. Did I not call it? Alright, here we go. We got the Craftsman one. Should be a reliable brand. We'll see. Third one down. I guess Craftsman is good. You're gonna buy hardware? Buy it from Craftsman. We're finally able to get it off. I'm about to remove the mid pipe here. This is how it should have gone. There you go. You see how easy that was? But I couldn't do that with the other one because freaking hanger was off. Shit. I took a little break to freaking answer some comments here. I really do appreciate for everybody who comments, man. I try to respond to most of them, man. So thank you guys so much for all the recommendations and things like that. Two type of revs. I'm gonna give you that rev, the normal rev, and I'm gonna put it on the pop mode and then maybe do one small pop. I miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Oh shit, this gold is fucking awesome, bro. Sounds good, bro. Sounds good. This G35 sounds good, but the yellow one, I think I'm gonna give it to that one. Not just because it was the OG G35, but it just fucking sounds good, man. Now, since we did rev it and we did do kind of like a pop map, the exhaust is probably super hot right now, so I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit, go back inside, and we'll come out outside later. What time is it? All right, guys, we're gonna go under the G. Alright, y'all, the day is getting darker, as you can tell with all the smoke. The sunlight can barely pierce through the smoke, so it gets darker a little bit earlier. But we have the old exhaust and we got the brand new Z1. Oh, it's not brand new no more, but probably leave this here. Maybe we might continue this at night, but I'm gonna see if I can freaking fit this in right now on the Gold G, especially these freaking hangers, bro. I don't know what kind of hangers these are, but we're gonna see if we can fit them in. Alright, guys, you guys saw darkness has come upon us. Finished the G35, the golden one. The exhaust is already up. I'm probably gonna start it up and back it up and park it closer to the sidewalk, but I won't rev it right now because, you know, it's nighttime. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna do a compilation of all the revs together to see how they sound. Go ahead and finish this job up. Literally 3 fingers, bro. That's insane. Anyways, let's see how much it got jacked up from all the times I scraped. It's not too bad. Not bad. Well done, Z1. You did some amazing quality steel, man. I found out where the damage was being done. Damage was actually being done on this screw. It's all jammed up. Oh shoot, okay. Simba. He's the sir. Alright, y'all, we're almost done. We just need the freaking cannon. Alright, guys, it's all done. Again, like the previous car, just having the issue of like hitting on the bumper. I don't know if I should cut it again or if I should put some rubber trim pieces here. Alright, y'all, besides that, I think it's done. Nice little tow hook right there, fill in the empty spot, and let's go ahead and lower this down, see how it looks. Welcome y'all to a brand new day. We're just gonna go ahead and we finished up the exhaust for both cars. Let's go ahead how they sound. Let's go see how they sound. Both the G with the new exhaust and the Purple G with the Z1 exhaust. Here we go. Alright guys, well you guys saw the end result, all the freaking different experiments. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave down in the comments below which one you think the exhaust sounded better. Honestly, with the Z1 now on the car, it is quieter than the other exhaust, but it does sound a lot better. And at least in my opinion, I don't like to have all that drone just piercing your ears, so I just really like the sound of it, and it sounds good. So let me know. Catch you guys next video. It's an exciting one. We got a lot more stuff to come. Catch you guys next video. Stay safe out there. Be safe. Peace out, guys.